everybody. I don't know if you can hear me or not. There's a lot going on here, but we are at the Southeastern Tiny Home Festival. And so we're going to check it out and see what's going on and see what kind of fun things we can do. So today we headed to Danville, Georgia and went to the Southeastern Tiny Home Festival, which is held at the Hummingbird Tiny Home Rental facility. It's just basically a really big field that they have parked several different tiny homes at that you can rent. You can rent them at Airbnb.com, and they were really cute. Now they still have their building facility that they use to build these.
Fishing for 2 people?
Our little camper is much smaller than this.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh. Well, some people thought this was super tiny, but I guess it depends on how much you travel and know about traveling. They kind of remind me a little bit of how cute the Master Treehouse guy was. Did you guys ever watch him?
I don't know if we've seen that.
We might have seen a couple episodes.
Yeah, what he did with trees was pretty cool.
Also on the property where you would rent your tiny homes, they have this great little pond area and this covered open kitchen that was really awesome. Hey, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I definitely recommend for you to check out the tiny home movement for yourself. Minimalist living and van life and all of that wonderful new type of travel and minimalist living. Check it out for yourself and see what you think, and I will catch y'all on the next video.